тебе у камина в 6 утра, разбитая душа, и все твои обещания пустота.
Your memory still fills my heart with a bittersweet mix of joy and pain. I still remember the sound of your laughter, the warmth of your smile, and the wisdom of your words. Every moment spent with you was a gift, and every moment without you is a loss. Time may have passed, but my love and grief for you